The struggle is real. Oh, hello there.
Hi. Not much. Just cleaning my Clearlidz before we film for Clearlidz. All right. Stay tuned for the video you all have been waiting for. We are going to give you a 5-month update on our Clearlidz 180-degree panoramic top. Now, a lot of you guys were skeptical, thinking it was going to leak, it was going to be hot inside, and I'm excited to give you the review in this episode, along with a little bonus accessory install. Let's clean it to begin. You looking for something?
Yeah, just, you know, a cold gold-colored beverage.
An apple juice. It must be an apple juice.
Definitely not an apple juice, guys.
Alrighty, you guys, welcome back to the Garage Couple. For those of you tuning in, my name is Aline and I drive this JKU.
And my name is Alex and I drive this JK. My name is Greg. I drive that TJ Rubicon in the back, the one that's bigger, better, and faster than the JKU. But anyways, on with the video we go.
On with the video we go. We all know the drill. On this week's episode, I am excited to give you a review, a 5-month update on the Clearlidz Freedom Panel replacements that we installed 5 months ago. Now, a lot of you guys were skeptical, leaving comments telling us it was too hot, it was going to be sunny, it might rain, it might snow, there might be a hurricane.
You're kidding.
But I'm excited to give you guys the full review. Now, we're in Southern California, so it has been hot, hot, hot. So I'll keep you posted on that. We also had a good amount of rain, so I will also include that in the update. Also on this week's episode, I'm going to be showing you the accessories that it comes with.
Just because we didn't show the accessories when we initially installed the video. Now, it's funny, many people commented saying if you guys actually lived in a hot climate, you would never be able to use the Clearlidz top on your Jeep. What, did they want us to be living on the face of the sun? We live in Southern California. It's 110 degrees easily here every day in the summer. It's 90 plus overnight, but you know, if we actually lived in a hot climate, I guess. You know, like Mars or something. Right?
We make these videos, you guys, to show you all the options and things you can add to your Jeep. To each their own, and this is my own, so let's get started.
Oh, that is my own. So let's get started.
Storage bag, is that what it's called?
So the very first thing Aline wants to do is open the storage bag. Is that what it's called, is what she said. As you can tell, gentlemen and gentlewomen, Aline and I are never going to use this carry-on bag because we are never taking this off.
Oh, that's nice though.
Oh, you know, that also doubles as something else.
A sleeping bag.
That is really nice.
That is super nice.
What does the interior look like? Is it soft or is it the same material?
Look. It's a little more sleek. It's gonna make sure that it doesn't scratch when you're putting it in here. And it's easy to store. Great, I love it. Has some handy dandy handles.
So since we're never taking the Clearlidz off, what are we gonna use this for?
A sleeping bag.
You could use this as like a beach bag. Put towels, put, you know, some ground beef, put some parsley, onion,
okay, honey, okay.
And then just mix it. The black color under the sunlight will cook any kind of meat you opt. So who needs a grill, who needs a kettle when you have a Clearlidz transporter?
Let's get to the shade.
Let's get to the shade.
Hang tight, you guys. This shade's only gonna take a couple minutes to install and then we will get to the review. This is pretty self-explanatory. Let's show you what it looks like. This does not double as a sleeping bag.
Oh, nice.
Sleep. Ooh, bungee cords and all.
Oh, very nice.
Ooh.
Oh, that's a little more than just a shade.
What is it, Greg?
That's another barbecue.
Honey. Initial thoughts looking at the shade, you are gonna see these 3 holes. I'm guessing this goes facing the front of the vehicle. You'll also see this little bungee strap. And on those bottom ends over here, you see Velcro pieces. Let's see where they go.
Now, one thing I noticed, it is not transparent. It is completely solid in terms of color. So this is basically if you have some extra money in your bank account and you would like to have no sunlight going through your Clearlidz. So go ahead and get a one-piece Clearlidz and totally block out all of the sun. See, we're never gonna use this.
No, we won't.
But it is cool. It is cool that they include it though. You can keep this in your Jeep, and in case you have a passenger or someone that doesn't want that direct sunlight, it seems like you can really quickly and easily put this on and make it so that you don't get hit by any sun. And I think the nice thing is it's very quick to place and remove. So
another thing to consider, if you are going camping and you do have one of those mattresses that sleep in the Jeep and you have a Clearlidz, this might be a good option just to cover the top if you're taking like a day nap or something. Instead of having the original Freedom panels, this is a good option to close and open it up if you need it.
But I actually like people to watch me sleep.
Greg is just coming at everything I say today, you guys. Let's see how this goes in.
So what better way to demonstrate this than to take the full door off?
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeeze McKeels.
Come on in. Like I said, the front has 3 holes, 1, 2, and 3, and so does our 3 front latches.
So I think the first step would be to put those through the latches and then to just use the Velcro on the rear to get it going. So we are up here on the roof.
The first way to install it is just tossing it over the top and hoping it stays still.
And look at how effective that is. Totally black, can't see anything. What do you think?
There's probably a better way to do this. Let's show you the right way to do it from inside.
Well, before we go inside, as you can see, there's the 3 separate clip holes. This is in the front where the hinges are, the doorman's loops or whatever what were they called?
Hinges.
Footman's loops. So there's the 3 footman loops. We're gonna pass those through. And on the rear here, we have double-sided sticky tape on Velcro, which we're just gonna go ahead and stick just on the bottom of this. So we're gonna do that step now. So this is that piece of Velcro that we were talking about. One side is sticky, the other side is Velcro. You know, double-sided Velcro, not a whole lot to it. So as you can see, we have this laid out on the top here. I'm just gonna go ahead, and you know, this doesn't actually have to be that sturdy. So if I put it like parallel to the vehicle instead of perpendicular, it gives you a little bit more freedom to go back and forth for the footman loops. So I'm gonna actually just install it that way instead of horizontally like they have put over here.
Greg is gonna move over to the other side. Peekaboo.
And now,
let there be light.
let there be truth.
Unclip your footman loops, right, Greg?
Correct?
Got this one. Oh. And then you take these and you just place it around.
Hold on, I didn't close the middle footman loop.
Babs.
And that's the last of it. Well, what do you think?
Super easy to install, but not for me. If I'm gonna be rocking the Clearlidz, I'm gonna be rocking it bare. So, I'm gonna leave it open. On to the review. Now, let's talk about all the elements that y'all were super skeptical about. First, let's start with the rain. It rained hard in LA. Like I'm telling you, pools flooding, sidewalks flooding, and lots of fun in the Jeep. But the Clearlidz did not budge. I didn't get one drop of water inside the Jeep, which I was super thrilled about. Next, the heat. The Clearlidz Next is the heat. Now this is multi-dimensional. First of all, the Clearlidz did not get damaged at all from being in the direct sunlight day and night. My Jeep does not go in a garage, so it is outdoor 24/7. It is untouched, not damaged. Now, driving with it, it was labeled as having UV protection and keeping temperature regulation inside the Jeep, and I can attest to it. Whether you're running the AC, whether you're running the heater, whatever temperature your Jeep would have generally been at, the Clearlidz was able to sustain that, which is absolutely amazing. Now, obviously it is sunny. We are in Southern California, but for someone like me, I didn't mind the sun shining in. I actually really enjoyed it. I mentioned this in the last video and I'll mention it again. I love the outdoor-indoor feel, right? When I'm driving to work, I don't want to mess up my hair or my makeup or my outfit, but I still get a very outdoor feel with this Clearlidz. So to sum it all up, I would put my stamp of approval on all of the features that were labeled that you guys were super skeptical about. If you guys are in the market for something that gives you an outdoor-indoor feel, it also is one piece. Remember, your original Freedom panels are two. Functionality and aesthetics, I absolutely recommend these Clearlidz.
Did you say anesthetics or aesthetics?
Aesthetics, honey. We're not always talking about you.
Wow. That is disrespectful at minimum.
Minimum. And
What
how about
about
this moped? At maximum speed, it goes pretty fast.
160 or so, I'd reckon.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching my review, along with the shade for the Clearlidz Freedom Panel replacement.
Some shade.
Shade. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Garage Couple, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for all the amazing content.
Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.
Let's do it.
Okay.